Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Burger King's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Burger King's account, firstly open up your Burger King application. The homepage of Burger King application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Enter your mobile number to proceed and tap on Get OTP. Enter your OTP code sent to your number, and that's how you will be able to log into your Burger King's account quickly and easily just in few steps. You can also log into your Burger King's account using your Facebook or Google account as well. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.